Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to adjust a Casio slide clasp or a sliding clasp. You can also find it online as a mesh band, bracelet. So as you can see, we have this metallic part right here that can be adjusted, so it can be moved up and down, and that way you are going to loosen or strengthen your watch. Now here you can see that you have a small arrow, and that is where you want to introduce a flat screwdriver, a metallic tool that you have in order to open it up. I'm going to use the basic pin remover that I have from the Basic Watchmaker toolkit. I'm going to leave a link in the description box below to all the common tools that I usually use in order to make these tutorials. Link in the description box below, guys. So what I want to do is to follow the arrow, introduce my let's say tool, so for example the flat screwdriver, and you are going to pop open this metallic clasp, and then you will be able to slide it up and down, just as you can see right here. Once you have found the correct spot, you can make a small mark, or you can put it on your wrist and see where you want to close it up. And then what you want to do is to push it back as it was initially. You are going to hear a small click, and make sure that you push it all the way. So make sure that this metallic part is going to actually touch the bracelet, because if it doesn't go all the way, there is a big chance that it is going to pop open while you wear the watch, or maybe it is even going to slide back and forth. You can also test it to make sure that it is fixed, and that is how you do it, guys, on your Casio watch. Here, for example, I have a different model. You can see that this one has the arrow as well, so it is going to be the same system. You open it up, you move it, and then you close it. You can apply this principle to other models out there. For example, this is a vintage Timex watch from the 80s, and as you can see, it has the same bracelet style, but as you can see, this one does not have an arrow. Then we also have the last model, which is going to be a small ladies vintage watch, and as you can see, this one is a lot smaller, but the same principle is going to apply. You can also move it, as you can see, up and down, and you will also be able to see most likely where the bracelet, where the clasp was initially, because it is either going to be very dirty or very clean in that spot. For example, on this model, the gold tone or the gold plating went away, and that is how you can tell. So guys, that was the quick tutorial that I had for you today. In case you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this YouTube channel, it really helps the channel grow. Make sure to check out the Basic Watchmaker tools in the description box below. And if you are into vintage watches, guys, watch tutorials, watch unboxing videos, make sure to be subscribed. I really appreciate it. I'm going to see you guys on the next video. And if you want to purchase any vintage watch, make sure to check out our website, vintageradar.com, because we have thousands of vintage watches for sale. Link in the description box below. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you on the next video.